I'm going to show you how you can save and use control presets on Assetto Corsa EVO in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like for more. So to access the presets, what you need to do is go to your settings, then go to controls, and once you are here, you will see at the bottom right of the screen this button to manage the presets. Just click there and you will see you have two presets by default and you can save the one you have right now. So I'm gonna save it as preset, then we can save it, and now whenever we want to load this preset we can click this button and it will automatically load all the controls we had when we saved this preset, or we can also delete it. So that's it, that's how you can use presets on Assetto Corsa EVO. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.